upon a star late one night. It stood out clear and shone so bright. Then it started moving across the sky. I was wishing on an airplane light. I thought about you and I thought about love. Two things I'm a little unsure of. If it feels this good, can it be right? Or am I wishing on an airplane light? Oh, I got a funny little habit. Sometimes I don't see things the way they are, and I think I found the one that I've been searching for, but I'm still afraid to trust my heart. Trust my heart. So hold me in your arms tenderly. Don't let go till I believe your love for me won't fade from sight, disappear like an arrow.